Sorry, I have to get my phone. I'm on call. Okay. We're ready. You know how to shape the control flow of a program using if-else statements. Perhaps you have faced situations in which you had to stack and nest multiple if statements. The switch statement enhances code readability, efficiency, and organization compared to lengthy if-else chains, making it valuable for handling multiple conditions. See, I never felt personally that this is really any better than this. Like, I still have to come in here and say, okay, like case 1, case 2, case 3. And it's like, once you read, I guess you could argue that, like, you know, you're only switching based off action. But, like, if you're writing it like this, it's easy to see the pattern. I don't know. I never felt like switch statements were any materially better in terms of code formatting. The one nice thing I found is that you're forced to have a default. Right? You could just kind of fall through on an if statement, but unit tests should almost always catch that. An example was 0, 1, and 2. Yeah. Alright, I kind of know what these are. Oh no! Am I logged out? What's going on here? Maybe it thinks I didn't read it. It thinks I'm trying to cheat. Ah, cool. I got some chocolate here. Read a string representing a house, and now put the following. Nope. Scanner next line. Switch. Wait, what am I doing? No, not scanner next. String house equals scanner next line. All right, we're warming up. Switch house. Switch based on house. We do this. We do case. Gryffindor. And you do system.out.println bravery break, and now let's do a default system.out.println not a valid house. And now we can do something like this. 1, 2, 3. We do Hufflepuff. Dude, that's what this auto formatter does. Ugh, God. Ravenclaw, intellect, cunning, and loyalty. Okay. I just looked at it. Do I need the break? Maybe we can do it. I think maybe it just doesn't matter. Alright. Let's clean this up. Scanner. What is going on? Scanner.close. Of course. Try that. I think scanner.next, it is. So, okay, little frustrated that print line is abbreviated, next line is not. Is that what that's telling me? So I can do next line there, right? Oh. Whatever. Just, I don't know. I think that's silly. Here's an example of a switch statement as part of a text-based adventure game. In this example, the switch statement is used to handle different player choices within the game. The program prints the part of the story and, based on his choice, outputs the continuation of the story. Decide which choice refers to which output. One, forest. A dark cave. That one goes first. 2 is a cave. 3 is a castle. Valid choice. Okay. Given the 2 initialized variables, what is a value of var2 after executing the following code in var2 0? Based on var1. var2 plus equals var1, which would make var2 100. No? What? Switch based on var1. Case 100. It is 100. So we do var2 plus equals. And then what is the value of var2? What? First case has no breaks. Oh, that's how they get you in this. Got it. So it falls through, right? It goes here. Let's think about it. Does it? Does it evaluate the case? I think it would. And the only thing that would happen is if you have a default case or you have another case that matches. So I'm a little confused. I'm a little confused as to what is trying to... Oh, maybe it's different. So it executes in case 2. Is that the same? I'm going to check right now because I don't think it's the same in JavaScript. Let's find out. I can use the same syntax. Almost. I can almost use the same syntax. Let var1 equal 100. Let var2 equal 0. We're going to do this. And then we're going to do console.log var2. Does that work right now? 125. Wow, so even in JavaScript it doesn't... Like if I got rid of var1, do you see what I'm saying? What? God, I fucking hate Firefox sometimes. It's like, what are you talking about? Like, what? Oh my God. How do I clear it? I just don't understand. Why can't I... Open history. Like, can I just run it again? I don't understand. Why does it do this? It's like the dumbest thing I've ever, like, why would I want to persist the memory here of the result? Okay? It always does this, and I'm just like, what are you doing? Let's try one more time. Let bar 1 equal 100, right? Let bar 2 equal 0. Switch console.log var 2, and now I want to see it. Well, bro, I can't. Like it's just like I just don't know why it does that. Oh my god, it's like, what the fuck? Test. Yeah, so it's 0 now because it doesn't match. That seems like a fundamental bug in like the logic. It really doesn't make any sense. Wonder. Huh. I'm surprised it's here too. I didn't know that. Is Java like way older than JavaScript? Creating a weekday like, why would you mirror that behavior? There must be some fun like I wonder if that happens in C also. Like I wonder if this is I don't know. Not worth thinking about right now. Creating a weekday converter for calendar app. Switch case 1 break, probably default. Yeah. I thought it only fell through to other stuff it matched, not automatically the next case. We need your help to improve an adaptive system. Ask learners what programming language they are learning. There are 4 options. One of them is correct: Java, Kotlin, Scala, Python. Your task: read the answers. Number from the standard input and output the result of the test. Yes, no, unknown number. Class main. Public static void main. Scanner. Unknown number. What is it asking me to do? Read the answers number from this. Oh, okay. Int input equals scanner dot next int scanner dot close, right? And then switch input case 1 system dot out dot print line break default. It's gonna yell at me if I don't put that. Default system.out. Java, Kotlin, Scala, Python, Java, oh wait, yes, no, nice, even easier than I thought, yes, no, is it exclamation? Yeah, they would have got me, they would have got me. Unknown number with no punctuation after both of them. Come on, guys. I'll do better than that. Rewriting code using switch. What did I do? Oh. What? I didn't even do anything yet. I didn't even answer that, and it had it all wrong already. It's not true. The switch statement must always have a default case, yes. If no case statements match the input value, the default statement is executed. A switch can work with, yeah. Bro, like, what are you talking about? Default case is optional? Okay. Switch statement must, no, I guess it doesn't. And so what? It's like, it's literally that? Like, what are you talking about? Oh my God. Like, I'm so over this question. Oh my God. Okay, not true. A switch can work. I guess it's not that either. If no case statements match, default's optional, so that's not true. And the switch statement must always have, like, none of, don't tell me. No, I don't understand. What are you talking about, dude? This doesn't make any sense. I just want someone to tell me what it is. This isn't even theory. Like, I don't know what this is. Like, I literally can't get past this question on a statement I've written a million times. Like, this is dumb. Oh my God. If no case statement... Oh my God, I don't even want to look at this. Oh my God. If no case statement matches the input value, the default statement is executed. It just like it might not exist because of this. Okay, the statement must always have it. No. Inside a case, the keyword break is always needed. No. A switch can work with a byte. It can. It can work with any of those. Wow. Poorly. Yeah, red face. I feel bad for leaving that. But it was a bad question. They need to get rid of it. You are given a partially completed Java program that converts a numeric value, 1 or 2, into its equivalent word, 1 or 2. Oh my god. Switch. Case. Break. Default. Nice. Switch case 1 system dot out dot println break Okay, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. All right, let's see if I can. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On Saturday, Sunday. Oh, they got me. Fair enough. Hate inheritance, but let's do it. Mechanism for deriving a new class from another class, base class. The new class acquires some fields and methods of the base class. Inheritance is one of the main principles of object-oriented programming. It allows developers to build convenient class hierarchies and reuse existing code, or you just get lost in these crazy stacks. Oh god, shudders. When it comes to inheritance, there are several terms. A class derived from another class is called the subclass. It's also known as derived class, extended class, a child class. The class from which the subclass is derived is called the superclass. Also a base class or a parent class. To derive a new class from another, the keyword extends is used. The common syntax is shown below. There are important points about inheritance in Java. Java doesn't support multiple class inheritance, meaning that a class can only inherit from a single superclass. Is this true in JavaScript? I don't think that's true. Maybe that's why I don't like it. I don't know. A class hierarchy can have multiple levels. I just think a class should have its methods defined. And if you're going to use other utilities or whatever, they should be injected, not inherited. It's just too weird. Because then you end up with different APIs. It's like in one file, you have to do subclass, child class, dot this, dot that, versus like, I don't know. I don't like it. A subclass inherits all public and protected fields and methods from the superclass. Also add new fields and methods. The inherited and added members will be used in the same way. The subclass doesn't inherit private fields and methods from the superclass. However, if superclass has public and protected methods for accessing its private fields, these members can be used inside the subclasses. Constructors are not inherited, but the superclass constructor can be invoked from the subclass using the special keyword super. The keyword is discussed in more detail in another topic. If you like the base class, an example of a class hierarchy: person, client, employee. No, see, like, at first we present the hierarchy as figured, but does manager inherit from employee, which inherits from person? It's too much. Don't like it, not a fan. Has fields for storing common data: name, year of birth, address. The class client has additional fields to store the contract number instead. Like, I get it. Like, if you need to add something to person, then it like propagates through. I don't know. I don't know. Class employee stores the start date. Yeah. Protected. Super. I also find like the relationships are never this convenient. Like, this is always such a contrived example, but that might be a lack of experience. I'll admit that. I just haven't come across anything where this was like the best way to do it. Many things in the real world can be simulated, like hierarchies, final classes. I'm going to declare every class like that. No inheritance. Here are two classes. Oh, sorry, I swiped up. Class pet. Private string birth date. Yeah. Which members of pet does cat inherit? Rice cooker. Wouldn't it inherit everything? I think protected means you can't set it from the outside. private. I think it's all of it. Select one or more options from the list. Which members of pet does cat inherit? Also, what's a member? Aren't these methods and properties? Is that what they call it? Interesting. For sure get name. For sure set name. For sure get birthday. I think it's all of it. Let's do it. Let's go. Shit. Private cannot be inherited. Okay. Okay. So protected in public. So in this case, it would be name, not set name, but we would get the name, and we'd get the birth date, and we don't get birth date. Got it. Public class vehicle. I guess private string type. Car extends super. It's a super car. You have a base class and a derived class. Both classes are in different packages. The base class. Public class, base class. Int A. You could do protected or public. You can't do private though. This will break. What's A? I see. You don't have to do this? Interesting. What? 416. Create a base class called Polygon with methods to set and get the length of sides. Then create a derived class called Square that inherits from Polygon and adds a method to calculate the area of the square. Given the side length of a square, calculate its area. Bro, what do they think that I know about calculating the areas of these? Squares width times height. What's a polygon? Oh, polygon int side length. Okay, so that's done. Down here, I need to do public static void square. String args. Square extends polygon. Wait, but we're in a class. Interesting. Maybe you don't need this. And now in here, it wants a method. Calculate area. So public int. It's going to return an int and it's called calculate area. And it's going to, given the side length of a square, calculate its area and print the result. So a square is equal on all sides. Rip to anyone who doesn't know that. This will be impossible. And so we just return. I guess we don't have, oh no, this, you see? I guess I don't need that though. I'm confused because here it uses this and here it doesn't. You know what I mean? Doesn't make any sense to me. So now, how do I square equals new square? Set the size. Yeah, it says side length. Int area. Let's do result. Calculate area. System dot out dot println result. I don't even know if that's close. I've never written, that's funny, we've never written one from scratch now. Alright, it looks like it's all wrong. Square extends. Okay, let's look at the hint. Yeah, square class should have a method to calculate the area, and it should get the side length to calculate the area. Yeah. It's fine to declare the same variable again. Yeah, inside main method, create instance, set side length, call calculate area, and return area. Sure. Okay, let's see if we can get rid of one of these errors. Nope. Public static void square extends. Error expected that. How do I extend this thing again? Come on. Ugh, dude. Can I... So I would say public static class square extends. Is that what it wants? This doesn't make any sense. I don't believe it. Oh, and then I don't have to do that. Oh, that was the only error. Interesting. 5 more minutes. Can I finish this? Oh, I just did. So, okay. I was still writing it kind of like JavaScript, but it's like this. Okay. I bet getters and setters will be quick. In most cases, a class does not expose its fields to other classes. Instead, it makes fields accessible through so-called accessor methods. Encapsulation, principle, the fields of a class cannot be directly accessed by other classes. The fields can be accessed only through the methods of that particular class. To access hidden fields, programmers write special types of methods, getters and setters. Read fields and setters can only write, modify the fields. Both types of methods should be public. Using these methods, so is the properties private or protected? Maybe that's what protected is. The fields of a class can be made read-only, write-only, or both. So what's protected? A class can have control over what values are stored into the fields. Users of a class don't know how the class stores its data and don't depend on fields. Java doesn't provide any special keywords for getters and setter methods. I don't know if I'll get through this. Here you can see the different getters and setters for the class account, just as Sage starts with the word is instead of get. Let's create an instance of the class and fill the fields, then read values from the fields and output them. Sometimes getter or setters can contain a more sophisticated logic. For example, getters may return non-stored values, calculate at runtime. Yeah. God, seriously? So it would be like public string get title return this dot title. Oops, public. That's not how the other one was, so let's do, if you hear that noise, it's now it's all the stuff that's going off automatically, man. String, new, next, title, it would be this dot title equals next title. Alright, 127. This will be my last problem. Alright, so that's the title, public, int, get year of publishing, and then we'll do set year, and then here we do another string, public, string, get authors, set authors, so set, this will inp string next authors, and this is going to be next int, oops. If that works. Yeah, I didn't think so. Oh, no way. I hope that's not it. It's lame to end on a semicolon. Okay. Oh, you'd probably, so in this case, I would return next title. I think that's convention, right? You return return next year of publishing. Actually, what I would do is return that. This dot title, and then, or it's return title. Publishing, and then return authors. Oh, look at that. Almost got me again on the same one. Bro, am I just writing Java right now? That's crazy. Yeah. Okay. All right, that's it for today. Another 45 minutes down. See ya.